guys, welcome back to Violin Inspiration. My name is Julia and today I am sharing one of my personal favorite classical songs with you. It's quite challenging. It's like you can still play it as a beginner, but it is a challenge and I think you can do this. It's called Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy and let's dive into it right away. I'm first going to play the song for you and then I'm going to share about some specifics. So this is the full version of the song in slow motion version. What is very important with this song is that you use very short bow strokes instead of... You are really trying to make the note sound short as possible. So or slow. So if you will have to play it slowly, and you will have to in the beginning because otherwise you will practice the wrong notes. Really try to make your bow strokes short. Then there's also quite some challenging parts in this song. And one of the things is that the third finger will be high sometimes on the A string and sometimes it will be low. The second finger on the A string will also be sometimes high, sometimes low. So here I'm going to demonstrate it. High 3, low 3, high 2, low 2, low 2, and then afterwards it's no specifics over here, but here there's a high 3, high 3. And then the first part is repeating itself, so high 3, low 3, high 2, low 2, low 2. And now the last line, high 2, high 3, low 3, low 3, high 2, low 2, high 3. So as you see, this is quite a challenging song. I wish you good luck learning it. If this video helped you to learn the song, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more violin tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.